Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Bodhi toe separators, the ultimate solution for correcting bunions and restoring your toes to their natural shape. If you're struggling with foot discomfort or looking to enhance your foot health, you're in the right place. These toe separators have been making waves in the health and wellness community, and for good reason. Designed by Bodhi Health and Wellness, they're crafted from 100% medical-grade gel, ensuring both comfort and functionality. Whether you're dealing with bunions, seeking relief from tight shoes, or simply aiming to improve your foot alignment, these separators promise to deliver. Let's talk about what sets these apart. The ergonomic design fits snugly between your toes, promoting relaxation and proper alignment. This not only alleviates discomfort but also enhances your balance, flexibility, and overall mobility. Ideal for everyday wear, whether you're lounging at home, hitting the gym, or even during yoga sessions. Here's why these separators stand out. They're not just a quick fix but a long-term solution. By maintaining the natural shape of your toes, they prevent and correct issues caused by toe compression. Plus, they're BPA and latex-free, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Clinically tested right here in the USA, you can trust their effectiveness. Personally, I found these separators incredibly comfortable. They slipped easily between my toes and stayed in place throughout the day. Whether I was running errands or unwinding with yoga, I barely noticed they were there except for the relief they provided. If you're like me and prioritize both comfort and foot health, these are a game changer. Now, let's address the competition. While other products promise similar benefits, Bodhi stands out with its commitment to quality. Many cheaper options lack the durability and medical-grade materials found in these separators, making them a worthwhile investment for your foot health. Wrapping it up, if you're looking to address bunions, improve toe alignment, or simply enhance your foot comfort, the Bodhi toe separators are your go-to choice. Backed by thousands of positive reviews and priced competitively, they're a solid addition to your foot care routine. I highly recommend giving them a try. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.